People who have tried this recipe loves it. And if you're a student, a saver, or looking for a quick meal that's on the healthy side, keep on watching. If you have not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. The ingredients are 1 packet of smashed ramen noodles, half a packet of seasoning which comes with a packet of noodles, 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a glass of water, and 1 to 2 eggs. It depends on how many you can afford. Put the noodles and the coconut oil together in a pan and mix until the noodles are moist. When it starts to turn brown, stir it to keep it from burning. When a good amount of noodles have turned brown, put in the water. It makes no difference whether you wait a little bit to put in the seasoning or put it in right after you pour the water. It makes no difference whether you wait a little bit to put in the seasoning or put it in right after you pour the water. After putting in the seasoning, put an egg or 2, and it again depends on how many you can afford. So when the egg whites are cooked a bit, mix the eggs into the noodles. And from here we are just waiting for the eggs to cook. From here we are just waiting for the eggs to cook. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Firebrand Girls and share this video on all your social outlets. Leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up.